This 2024 Glaval Primetime TRACER 240BHSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Glaval is 27 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, oven, leveling jacks, external shower, awning, slide-out, water heater, spare tire kit, LP detector, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Glaval Primetime TRACER 240BHSLE is 5,003 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.